Hello, so in today's installment, we're going to be installing WordPress manually. Um, you've no doubt installed WordPress a whole bunch of times using Softaculous and other programs like it, like Fantastico. I don't know any other proprietary ones, but these are services that web hosting companies will purchase as an incentive for people to use their web hosting service. Um, not every web hosting service will have one-click installers, and you might be working in a place that doesn't have tools of this nature at all. So it's kind of important to learn how to do this kind of thing manually, and luckily WordPress makes it extremely easy to install their platform manually. They have what's called the famous 5-minute WordPress install, and that's what we're going to be doing today. So step one is to go to wordpress.org. and go to download WordPress. This will download for you the most recent version of WordPress. There we go. It gives you a zip file. I like to do a lot of WordPress testing. I make dummy sites all the time on the local platform. There's this program called MAP. It stands for Mac, Adobe, no, sorry, Mac, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. It's a way of installing WordPress locally on your site. We have a video that will walk you through how to do that. So if you feel like making a local development environment, then send one of us an email, come and talk to me, or just watch the video. But something I like doing, this is totally just the geek in me, you can copy a WordPress image, get info, and just paste it right on here. And so now whenever you want a new copy of WordPress, you just double click that and it gives you that. Anyway, that's just me being a dork. So this is going to take a few minutes to upload to your domain. So why don't we do that first? Go ahead and open up your CyberDuck and establish a connection to your domain. And your public HTML. And so I'm just going to put this, I'm going to make just a new directory for it. No need to make it here on the server. I'm just going to title this testy and then drag it right in. And so I have kind of a slow upload speed. Comcast is like that. Sorry, AT&T, that's who am I. That's what I use at home. So while that's going, we're going to go ahead and get done with the other steps involved in this. So one of the things that you need to do to have a WordPress install is to create a new MySQL database. MySQL is a free open source database system, which we'll talk a bit more sometime in the class, but we don't really need to get into it right now. And so what you'll want to go do is get to the Databases tag and click on MySQL Database Wizard. Now, the first thing that we do is create a name for the database. Databases cannot have capital letters or spaces, and I'm pretty sure you can't have dashes either, only underscores. But so let's give it something normal. I called this thing testy, so I'll just call my database testy. Databases with around here, they'll always start with your admin username and then an underscore and then the name of the database. So next step. You also need to create a user, just also have it be the same name as your database. Give it a good password. Create the user. And give yourself all privileges. Alright, so that part didn't take as long as I thought it would. But that's okay. Let's check back on this.